Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to extract or make a list of the name of your files on on Windows 11. So here, for instance, I have this folder contain bunch of images of me, and I want to create the list, and then I will processing it into my website. So what you have to do, you just right click, press shift first on your keyboard after you press shift, and then right click on the folders, and then you can click this open Windows shell, PowerShell windows here. After that, this kind of windows will be open. After it will be open. After it's opened, you go type in this kind of prompt: get child item, dash file dash name, and then out file, file path, file names.txt. So it will returns or generate the file names into file names.txt. Also, I can change it into, for instance, 01txt. So I just copy it and then paste on this PowerShell, and then hit the enter, and then go back to my files, and then it will returns all the file names on my particular folder. So that's it. I will put this from Windows PowerShell on the description below. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.